Grammar test or grammar quiz. A and the. He is dash MA, an MA. She is dash PhD, a PhD. I saw dash one-eyed deer, a one-eyed deer. Mr. Das is dash honest man, an honest man. He reads dash Gita daily, the Gita daily. I bought dash umbrella, an umbrella. We visited dash Taj Mahal, the Taj Mahal. There is dash university here, a university. We watched dash one act play, a one act play. He is dash best boy in the class, the best boy in the class. This is dash unique idea, a unique idea. We spent dash hour there, an hour there. She gave me dash 1 rupee note, a 1 rupee note. We saw dash old lion on TV, an old lion on TV. She reads dash telegraph, the telegraph. Go to dash south, the south. I love dash beauty of nature, the beauty of nature. Thank you.